Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm making a tiny decorative pillow from my computer. I got a printout like this. Using this shape, I'm going to make a tiny pillow. I'll use this shape as a mold. I fold my fabric in half. I place the shape on it. I draw around the shape with a pencil. I insert my pins again. I cut around the shape with seam allowances. Now the needle. I'm stitching over these lines. I start here. When I get to the corner, I lift the foot with my needle inside. I turn my fabric. I lower the foot. I finished the stitching here and I left that much of an opening. Now I'm doing a process like this. Now I reduce these excess stitches. I turn my fabric to its face through the opening I left here. I fill it with bead fiber through this opening here. And with my finger, I try to push it as far forward as possible. I close the opening here by hand stitching. After I've finished sewing, I don't want the thread to be visible from the outside, so I run the needle from the inside. I cut the thread here. This way the end of the thread stays inside. We made a very cute decorative pillow. I hope you liked this video. If you like my video, please click the like button to be notified of my new videos. Please don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Goodbye.